Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get a command block in Minecraft. All right. So first off, when you go ahead and create a world, just make sure that it is under creative. Okay. This one right here. Now, once that's done, make sure as well that under more, okay, game rules, broadcast command block output is on and commands as well. And make sure allow commands is enabled as well. So let's just go ahead and load up a world right here. Again, just make sure that open to LAN right here, allow commands is on. Now type down / or chat, and then / and type down give space at S right here, and then space Minecraft command _ block, and just press enter. Okay, there you go. As you can see here, we now have the command block under our inventory. Now you can just go ahead and equip this one. Place it wherever you want. Now you go ahead and right click on it and start using it. That is it. That is how you get a command block in Minecraft. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.